Hey, what's up, Anchor coin holders? I have two surprises for all Anchor coin holders, my friend. The first surprise is how I hope you will understand from thumbnail, my friend, because in the first November, the very big event is coming soon. The very huge explosion is coming soon, my friend. So I think you will never need, my friends, to miss this. But kindly this time also, my friend, the price is very critical condition, my friend. So therefore, as you can see, my friend, I'm going to discuss now something very special because in this current, my friends, condition. But please subscribe this channel if you are new my channel. Subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification. My friend, Anchor coin price were fails down from last 3 days. As you can see here, minus 3.24%. The price is decreasing. So what's the reason, my friend? And can they will hit now 0.1 USD dollar again? Yes, 100%, my friend, they will hit now, but in the first November, my friend. Otherwise, this time you could see they were failing down. So therefore, try to understand holders to after a short them every coin will pumps up, but after a short pump, absolutely every coin will dumps down. So therefore, after a very huge pump, my friends, Anchor coin will dumps down. So therefore, absolutely this time they will dumping, but I hope they will again recover this loss and they will again pumping up. So kindly holders, first of all, my friends, you will need to start, my friends, holding, investing more and more. And remember, when a community will be increasing, then 100% the price will increasing. So therefore, I hope in upcoming time the Anchor price will more and more increasing because holder are stop selling and holder are starting investing. So I hope, my friends, in upcoming time the Anchor coin price will more increasing. All right, so minus 8.34% in last 7 days they were decreased now, but don't worry, my friends, I hope they will again increase now and give you the very good profit. But please, you will need to holding. If you are starting selling, then remember you will miss the chance of profit. So I think you will never need, my friends, to starting selling. You will never need, my friends, to miss this chance. So thanks for watching, Anchor coin holders. My opinion is for all holders to please hold down, don't starting selling. And my advice for all my subscriber to please, if you have any plan to invest more and more, then in the first moment invest now, because the very big event and the big surprise. So kindly holders, you will need to get a profit in the first November. So I hope you will better understand. Kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Allah Hafiz, take care.